Today we're at the Great Sand Dunes National Park, and who would have ever thought that right beside some mountains there'd be this huge pile of sand. What the scientists say is that the San Miguel Valley, sometimes the winds get anywhere from 30 to 50 miles an hour, and all this sand over years and years and years have been brought here and stopped by the Sangre de Cristo Mountains. These are just part of it, but that's the Sangre de Cristo Mountains, and then the valleys on the other side of that big sandbox. So we're going to go and climb the big sandbox. So we're walking to the sand dunes. It's probably half a mile from the parking lot to the base of the sand dunes. And we're already winded, and it's flat here. We haven't even gotten to the top. So last week, we were in Rocky Mountains. Today, the Sahara Desert. We took an airplane, came straight here. Way up on the top, you can see the camels. Did you see the camels? I saw camels. I don't know if you
Hilarious! Oh my gosh!
There was camels up there.
Lack of oxygen.
This is so cool to be walking in sand in the Rocky Mountains. It's great. If you notice, we took our shoes off. Those heavy hiking boots were way too much. There's the mama. So we're almost there. I don't know if you can tell, but how much of an angle there is here. The grade's got to be at least 16%, if not more. But Mary says it's 115%. Right?
It's a killer.
Look how far we've come. Look at that.
Woo!
And all we have to do is just a little bit more. Right up there. Right up there where those people are walking. So that one hill that I said, that's where we're going. Well, just when you think you're there, you're not. See that ridge line back there? That's where we want to go. Whew! What a workout. I'm going to earn that spaghetti later on. I think this whole video is going to be about the sand dunes, but what an incredible experience. It's like kids being out here in the sandbox, just playing around. We still got a ways to go down, but boy, is it a lot easier.
Absolutely.
It's crazy to look out here and see all the sand.
And then the mountains.
And then the mountains.
Beautiful.
What'd you like about this?
Getting to the top and being done. I cannot believe that it's been so long. I cannot believe that it's been so long. I cannot believe that it's been so long.
things that we did learn is we started off with our hiking shoes, and they're kind of heavy and got full of sand, and that was really hard. So we ended up taking our shoes off and just in socks. Some people are doing it barefoot. The sand's not hot today, but some people said it was hot. In some areas, we didn't experience that. So what did you say? Take your time?
Take your time. It's tough. It's tough climbing up that sand. It's a challenge. It's not like a regular hike. You're sliding back, you're taking a step, you're sliding back.
If you've ever been to Florida and if you walked on the beach, well, imagine walking on the beach but up. And you know how hard it is to run and to walk in the beach in the sand in the Florida beaches. Well, it's even harder here. And then on the way down, run. Run because it's a lot of fun. Let the kid come out of you and have a lot of fun. Just don't break a hip. Don't break a hip. Don't twist an ankle, especially if you're old like us. Just have fun. Drink lots of water.